Hello guys, it is a beautiful Friday morning and I'm really happy to be here again. Okay guys, in this video we will be looking at how we can turn $50 into $500 just in a space of a week trading Forex. Okay, we will be checking out simple Forex trading strategy, and we will be focusing more on currency pairs. Okay, we will be focusing more on currency pairs so that we will know how to go about it. Okay, just like I have said, I said I will be mixing it up with synthetic indices, currency pairs, and of course crypto assets, so that we can all benefit from it, because there are so many people asking questions on other areas too, so that I don't just dedicate the channel for synthetic indices alone. Okay, so let's look at how we can make some cool cash from currency pairs by using this simple strategy, which I will be sharing with us on this channel. It is very easy to do and you all will love every part of it. But before we go fully into it, in case you are joining us for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself online, most especially within the our Forex niche. All you need to do is just to take some time to browse through the channel, watch my training videos, practice and perfect your trading skill first on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me a thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly go back, kindly do so right away. Just check below this video, click the subscription button, and of course also turn on the notification bell to all notifications. That is the best way you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Okay, quickly let's go straight into what we have right here. So like I said, we want to look at how we can turn one time $50 into $500 just within a space of a week trading Forex using a simple Forex trading strategy. Okay, but before we look at the simple Forex trading strategy, in case you are looking for a simple way to do your analysis, and of course you want a well customized indicator that can help you to know when to come in, just like you have right here, and when to exit the market, then you can contact me right away, so you can see an indicator that will show you the trend. When the trend is on downtrend, you see it. When the trend is on uptrend, you're going to see it. And when you have an entry point or an entry signal, you're going to know that. When you are to buy, you're going to know that. Then this is an indicator you should look out for. It is called the 3M Trend Milker Trading Indicator. It is an amazing indicator which we all have been using to milk the market successfully for ourselves. You can see right here, it gave us a buy signal, and check it out, it kept on spiking until it got to this region. Okay, you can imagine you being in the market right from here where we have our entry point till here, trading spikes alone. That is quite alarming, guys. That is quite alarming, and this is on 5-minute time frame, of course. So you can always contact me on WhatsApp to know how you can lay your hands on this, but this is not what we are focusing on today. We want to look at a simple trading strategy which you can use to trade currency pairs. Okay, and the currency pairs I'm on GBP USD chart at the moment. Okay, this is a simple setup which you can use. Okay, I will be using it to explain to you one after the other, but of course before I do that, okay, I'm going to create another chart right from here so that you know how to do the setup. Okay, this is another chart. This is GBP USD on 1 hour time frame. Okay, personally I don't like these grid lines. Okay, so I'm going to remove the grid from there. So let me remove that first. Okay, I've removed that, so I believe we all can see it very well right now. Okay, so then the next thing you need to do is you need to add some trading tools to it. The first trading tools you'll be adding to it is the Bollinger Band. Okay, so you go to inserts, and you go to indicators, then you search for Bollinger Band. Okay, this is it, BB. Okay, this is Bollinger Band. Just use the default settings right there, and of course this is what you're going to get. Okay, so let me take it to 5-minute time frame. Okay, I think it's a bit better this like this. Okay, so I'm going to zoom it in a bit, okay, so that we get to see what we have right there. Okay, so so the next thing to do is to add your RSI to it. Okay, so I'm going to add my RSI to it. So let's see if I can get RSI from here. You can also do it from above, from the insert button. Okay, okay, let's see. RSI, that should be on the oscillator, sorry, RSI. Okay, this is it. So you just add it to it, and of course you make it RSI 14. Okay, so you add your RSI 14 to it, 14, and of course you set your line, you make it a bit thicker so that you can see it very well. Okay, then you set your levels, you go to levels. You need level 90. Okay, these are the levels you'll be needing. You need levels 90, 80, 70, 60. Then you need 40, 30, 20, and 10. Okay, so those are the levels you need. So these are the levels you need. Okay, right there. Okay, okay guys, these are the levels you need. So that is how you do the setup. Then the next thing you need to add to it should be moving average. So you will have to pull the moving average on the RSI. Okay, you will have to pull it on the RSI. So let me check the trend. I think the moving average should be under the trend. Okay, and of course it should be under the trend. Okay, let's see, this is it, moving average. So we are adding moving average to it. Okay, so we are adding moving average 20 to it, and it must be exponential. I decide to choose red color. I can make the line a bit thicker, not really that thick, then I'll make it okay. Okay, so this is what we're trying to achieve right here. Okay, so this is a simple trading tool which we will be checking out right here. Okay, sorry, your moving average should be applied to close. Okay, sorry about that. So moving average 20, exponential, then apply to close, then you click on OK. Good, this is what we are trying to achieve with it. Okay, so I'm going to explain to you how to go about it. So these are the simple setup which we'll be using right here. So let me go to this template because I love the colored right here. So I'm going to be using this. Okay, or probably let me use the setup we have right here, but I'm going to remove one of the two of the levels on the RSI. Okay, I'm going to remove in order to make it a bit neater, I'm going to remove level 40 and level 60. We don't really need those two levels right here, so I'm just going to delete some, level 60 and level 40. Okay, those are the two levels we are removing. So okay guys, so this is what we are right. I believe it's a bit neater right here. Okay, let me quickly explain to you how you can use this to make some cool cash for yourself. Okay, and of course you're going to love this strategy trading any of the cryptocurrency assets. Okay, but let me quickly say this. Okay, this is basically based on technical analysis. Okay, it has nothing to do with fundamental or events. Okay, so whenever there is any news, okay, it will always take its own effects on the market, but the technical analysis will always take over right from there. So you should take note of that. Okay, I'm going to explain what you use the Bollinger Band for, and of course I'm going to also explain what you use the RSI and the moving average for right from here, so that you will understand every bit about it. Of course, you have seen the setup right from here, and of course we can see how we can go about it. So let me first start from the main chart. Okay, on the main chart at the top here, when the markets when the candles are touching the upper Bollinger Band, then you should know that it should be getting ready to sell at that point. So you can start selling at that point. So you can sell until it touch the lower Bollinger Band. Okay, then you can start buying right from here till it gets to this region or so. Then you can sell again. So you can do that up and down the charts. Okay, so once you start doing that, I'm not saying this is going to be 100% perfect, but you can make a lot of profits with it. Okay, but in order for you to get a better result, you will have to combine the main chart, the strategy on the main chart, with that of the window indicator. Okay, let me quickly say this to you. Okay, when this what is it called, the RSI is the one in red color. Okay, once it gets to 90 like this, then you should know that it will start selling from there. You can see it sold for a while, it went back up again, but still sold till it got to 20. Okay, so once it starts getting to 30, I expect you to exit the market at that point. Okay, so you can see it right from here. Let's say you started from here, so which means you're going to pick up your trade right from here, started selling it, so to this region. Definitely this can give you some profit right from here. You can see it right from here. But let's say you didn't close it, it pulled back and it still came down because it is yet to get to 30. Okay, this is when it got to 30 right here. You can see it right here, it got to 30 around there. So which means you would have end up milking the market for a very long time. You can see it right from here. This is your entry point, and this now is your exit point. You can imagine that is a lot of profit for you. Okay, and the same thing is applicable for a buy trend. Okay, the buy will start from 20 or from 10. Okay, it will start from 10. I love it from 10. You can see it right from here. So this time you should be getting ready to buy right from here. Then you can buy it till it gets to 70. Okay, so that is how it works. So you can use this strategy to milk the market for a very long time. Okay, this will help you to milk the market for a very long time. If you check it right here, it got to 90 around there. So this should be your sell order. You can place your sell order around here, and of course you keep on milking the market until you get to 30. Okay, I prefer you edging out at 30, closing your trade at 30. Okay, because anything can happen right from there. Then you wait for it to get to 10. You can see it right from here. So you start selling from here and you close your trade around here. Okay, so this is a simple trading strategy that can make you a lot of profit right from here. So you can, and it is very good for a very small trading capital. For instance, if you are having $50, you can just toss $50 into your broker's account and move it down to your trading account. Set up your account quickly, set up this simple trading this simple trading strategy on your chart, and of course you pick up your trade at the right time. And when it gets to 90, you start selling right from there, and of course you sell until you get to 30. And of course, when you notice that the market has gotten to 10, you can also buy. Okay, you buy until it gets to 70. Sometimes it won't get there before it will pull back, but it will still go back up at that point. Okay, so that is how it works. Okay, so you can use this strategy to milk the market for a very long time. Like I have said earlier on, this strategy is not something that is 100% perfect. Okay, there is no strategy on earth that is 100% perfect. Okay, but if you have a strategy, they can give you 80% assurance that you're going to make profit each time you go into the market, then you are cool with that. Okay, and of course I will advise you to follow up with stop loss. Okay, for instance, if you are coming around here, if you had coming around here to sell, and the market had gotten to this region, okay, you can introduce your stop loss to somewhere in the middle in order to keep some of the let me change this one to red, so that we know that that is our stop loss, in order for you to lock up some of the profit for yourself. Okay, and as this is going down, you also move the stop loss alongside with it in order to create more margin for your profit at that point. Okay, and of course, as it hits your take profit, or probably when this gets to 30, you can close all your trade at that point. Then you have your full profits back into your balance, and that is the way it works, and that is the way you can make a lot of profit with this strategy. I want you to try out this strategy, and it's my WhatsApp page, and let me know how you have been able to make some good profits with this. This is a unique strategy. It's not going to work with news or event, but it will only work when the news or events are not there. Okay, so this is the technical part of it. So it is a simple strategy which any novice can actually lay hands on and start making profit for himself. Okay, so that is how it works. So guys, I will be stopping right there. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash, and of course, if you have any question at all, feel free to contact me. My contact details are in the description box below this video, and if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away, so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.